Hi guys, welcome back to Visor Down. My name is Alex and I've been riding the Honda CB500X around for the last day. What's the 500cc motor like, you may ask? It's blinding. Really am enjoying riding this about. It's the same motor that's shared across the 500 range from Honda, so of course that includes the CB500F, the CB500R, and as far as I'm aware, the CMX 500 Rebel, and it's all shared across the same one. It's a twin motor, 46 brake horsepower, and around 43 newton meters of torque, and it's perfectly capable on the roads. It weighs around 193 kilograms, I want to say, or thereabouts, and it sits quite high up, so the weight is quite high. For me, I'm 6'3", weigh around 15 stone, so it's pretty much the perfect style for me in terms of size, so I can't complain when it comes to size at all. Maneuvering it about is a bit of a hefty task when you're trying to get it around a small little garage or anything like that, because as I say, the weight does sit quite high up. For me, it's manageable. For people who are a bit shorter, they might struggle a little bit, but overall, no complaints about the size at all. When you're on the road, it feels really comfortable to ride, really sort of natural, really forgiving. The motor itself really can power you out of any problems you may encounter. So if you go into a corner in third gear, you should have really been in second, you can power out in third and it's no problem at all. The seat is 830mm, nice and soft as well. Just give it a little squeeze. And nice and wide, of course, enough space in the back for a pillion as well, so someone could really fit on there nicely if they needed to. That does sort of take you over to the control panel. The bars sit nice and high, they're nice and wide as well. You can adjust the brakes, or the lever, should I say. And yeah, it's a really nice motorcycle to ride, as I say, really comfortable. I haven't ridden a motorcycle for just under a year now because of lockdown and what's been going on in the world, but jumping on this thing has been no problem at all. It's been really forgiving, really nice and easy to ride. And jumping on this, literally within the first mile, I was right back at it and having a great time. So yeah, no problems there at all when it comes to the rideability of the motorcycle. Of course, you may be wondering what else has it got on it. Well, Nissan brakes, front and rear disc, only single-sided on the front, so you know you may want to have double disc on the front. Of course, it's fairly capable on the road with braking. Brakes are responsive. The suspension is a little bit soft, but it is preload adjustable if you fancy adjusting it. It's got a rear mono shock as well, hidden away in there. There you go, look at that, beautiful. So yeah, all good. It's got LED lights all around, so let's quickly flick on this. And the dash is really nice as well. It's an LCD dash and it's got everything you need on it. All the basics are there. So you've got your gear indicator, your fuel gauge, your speed, and that's all you really need, to be honest with you. I mean, it's nice having anything else other than that, but that's realistically all you want. This one's only done a few miles. It's on, what, 92 now? So it really is early days for the motor. Now, of course, you can argue whether you'd want to break it in slowly or just go straight for it. I'm a bit up in the air with that one when it comes to whether you should just hammer it in or go really gently for the first 5,000 miles. I'm not sure which is the best, so maybe let me know down in the comments what you think. Another new feature for the 500X for 2021 is this little snazzy detail. The decal pack looks pretty nice, to be fair. Pretty nice. Now, this bike could be well suited for someone who is looking for a economical tourer. If you stick a top box on the back of this thing and just leave everything else as it is, you've got yourself a nice economical tourer that's going to be getting you to and from work with relative ease on the economy. But yeah, you stick a top box on this and you can get to and from work nice and easily, nice and comfortably, and handle all of the roads with ease. Of course, it's an adventure style, not quite Africa Twin, but it's got that styling that you'd want from an adventure motorcycle. and it does look the part, sort of similar to the NC750, but sort of not at all. Yeah, it's a really nice looking motorcycle. Now, one thing I do want to know from you guys is, what do you want to know about the CB500X? If you let me know down in the comments what you're wanting to know from the review on this one, and I'd be more than happy to feature it and include it when we do the full review, which of course is going to be coming soon. What we should do is start her up and you can listen to her sing. The neighbours are getting angry. Nah, don't worry. Yeah, so if you follow us on Visor Down's YouTube channel, subscribe to us, hit the notification bell, stay up to date with what we've got going on with Visor Down, of course, please. You can also follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, bring you all of the latest news and information on releases. Say hello to us over there and get involved. But yeah, this has been the CB500X first impressions and a little bit of a walk around for you. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.